this is Subhashri and welcome to my channel. Sometimes we are looking for a chicken recipe that is easy to make but tastes uniquely flavorful. So if you're looking for something like that, this is the perfect recipe for you. My today's chicken recipe is chicken Malaikari. So please do try out the recipe this way and let me know how you enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. First we are going to make a ginger garlic paste. For that here I am using 2 inches of chopped ginger and about 12 garlic cloves chopped. Now I will blend this into a paste. Now we will marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken and to this we will add 4 tablespoons of yogurt. And I have drained the water out of the yogurt by passing it through a sieve. And half of the ginger garlic paste that we just made, so we are going to only use half of that for the marination. The rest of the half we will use when we are cooking the chicken. Some dry powdered spices, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, about a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to mix the chicken with all of these ingredients and set it aside for 30 to 45 minutes. Now we will start making chicken malaikari. For that first I will add 4 tablespoons of oil and first heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add some whole spices. So here I have 3 bay leaves, 2 1-inch cinnamon stick, 6 green cardamoms, 7 cloves and 3 green chilies. I'm going to add all of these and we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. I'm getting a nice aroma from the whole spices. Now I will add 2 medium onions, 300 grams finely chopped, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized and turned light brown. Now I will add the rest of the ginger garlic paste and at a medium-low flame we will fry this for 3 to 4 minutes till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger garlic. It's been about 3 minutes. Now we will add the marinated chicken. So add all of the chicken. Now we will continue to cook the chicken at a medium flame for about 8 to 9 minutes till the chicken starts giving out water and we can see the oil separating out. And make sure you keep stirring the chicken occasionally as it's getting cooked with the masala. The chicken has started releasing water and you can see the oil is also separating out from the masala. So our masala is also nicely fried. Now we will add some cashew paste. So this I have made from about 12 to 14 cashews soaked in warm water for 15 minutes and then I have grind this to a fine paste. So I'm adding the cashew paste here. We will also add half a teaspoon of sugar. This is optional. If you don't want to add sugar, you can always skip it. And also add some salt as per taste. We also added some salt when we marinated the chicken. So just be mindful of that when you add it. Now again mix all of this well together and we will cook this at a medium flame for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now I will add 1.5 cups of coconut milk. And at a medium flame we will first bring this to a boil and make sure you keep stirring this occasionally. The coconut milk has come to a boil. Now we will cover this with a lid and at a low flame we will continue to cook this till the chicken is completely tender. The chicken is now completely cooked and our chicken malaikari is completely ready. This is a really tasty, easy and very different chicken recipe. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how it works out for you. Thank you so very much for watching my channel.